Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing with you 5 video editing tools that are super handy, super useful, and that I use on an everyday basis. So let's get started. Tool number 1 would be CapCut. Now CapCut is super user-friendly. It has some advanced editing tools. It allows you to create animations, voiceovers, auto captions, and even script to your videos. It also allows you to remove backgrounds and apply different kind of filters, if you will, and different kinds of really exotic transitions if you're kind of into those, and also an AI model. Now this is super cool because it allows you to kind of have an AI model presenting your voiceover or your script. Moving on to tool number 2, which is Final Cut Pro. Now, Final Cut Pro is used professionally by many different video professionals, and it allows you to edit your videos with advanced color grading, motion graphics, and different VR editing features. It's also one of the top choice amongst professional filmmakers and also video editors. Moving on to tool number 3, Adobe Premiere Pro. Now they offer professional grade tools, so this is super cool as well. It has some really cool advanced video editing features and capabilities. It allows you to apply color correction, motion graphics, and audio editing as well. And the best part about Adobe Premiere Pro is that it allows a wide variety of formats, and it goes from 4K to VR as well. Now finally moving on to Weed.io. Now this is super cool as well because it has an AI powered video editing feature. So it's super cool. You could generate images via AI, and you can have images ready for your videos, and also different kind of video editing features that are on there, and also allow subtitles and AI translations. Moving on to our very last tool, and I've saved the best for the last, OpenShot. Now OpenShot is an open source tool, so that means that it's free and it's actually flexibly supported by a wide community, and you can have access to different kind of animation features. So if you're into keyframe animations, you have access to unlimited tracks and 3D animations, which is super cool. So do make sure to check these 5 tools out, and until next time, have a good one, guys.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.